To label a polygon, you simply click on a closed polygon. In this case, if I go to drafting and click polygons here, again, you're going to pick the style, the layer, rotation angle, and then you're going to pick the polygon. You can do multiple polygons as well. I'm going to pick this one here, which is this SMP or SWM and this BMP. You'll notice based on the style, there's a question mark for the name. The reason that you have that is because this polygon, in this case this line string, doesn't have a name. So simply, if I was to come in and modify the name SWM/BMP, you'll see that it actually takes that property. Now that line string does have to auto close or be closed. So if I was to come down here and add a polygon to this other line string, so we pick that polygon, you can see that same thing, that one is a closed polygon. If I pick it, you'll see that it's a 3D or CAD polyline in this case, but it is closed. Even though it says no, it still found that that object because it's a CAD line versus a line string. Now again, I could come in here for the name and I can call this, easement, and it will change the question mark to whatever label name I put in for the object.